Here we're going to look at weighted averages, where not every item in a computation counts for the same. A really common and important use of this for students is calculating grade point average. So let's take a look at an example of that. Okay, something you may be familiar with already over here on the left is the idea that each certain grade that you could earn in a course has a value associated with it. A's are worth 4 grade points, B's are worth 3, C's are worth 2, D's are worth 1, and F's are worth nothing. And we've got a sample schedule for a student here that took a 4-credit math course and got a B, a 3-credit history course and got an A 1-credit computer science class and got a C, and a 3-credit biology class and got an A. And we want to find their grade point average. Now, on the surface you might think, well, this can't be hard. A B is worth 3, an A is worth 4, a C is worth 2, and an A is worth 1. So I'll just add those up and divide by 4, and I'll have their grade point average. No, that's not actually how it works, because if you'll notice, these courses are not worth the same number of credits. They're worth different numbers of credits. That's where the weighted average comes in. The math class, being worth 4 credits, carries more weight than the computer science class that's only worth 1 credit. So let's take a look at the way that we're going to find this grade point average using a weighted average. What we do is we figure out the number of grade points that the student earned. That is, in math, they have 4 credits for this B. Well, 4 credits times 3 points per credit means they get 12 grade points for that course. In history, we've got 3 credits for a 4-point course. So 3 credits, 4 points per credit, gives them 12 grade points for history. 1 credit for the C gives them 1 times 2, or 2 grade points. And then 3 credits for this A, again, gives them 12 grade points. So altogether, this student earned 38 grade points. Now you're thinking, well, how is that going to give us a grade point average? Well, what we do is we take the number of grade points and we divide that by the number of credits, which in this case is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And so the grade point average for this student is going to be 38 grade points that they earned divided by the 11 credits that they took. They're going to have a grade point average of 3.45. The main thing to remember here is when doing a calculation like this, the number of credits gets multiplied by the number of grade points per credit to get this number. We can't just go as simply as saying, okay, well, B, A, C, A, that's 3, 4, 1, and 4. I'll find the average of those and have it. It's not that simple of a process. The number of credits that they took factors in to how much weight a course will have when finding the grade point average.